Hi, I'm Manu. I attended NID and SEED this time, and this is my third attempt so far. And first two times, I was not sure what to learn. I gave it the first time without even just for the sake of writing it. And after the second time, I knew what all questions will be coming, but I was not sure how to prepare for it. So last time, that's my list. This time, I chose BRDS. I came to know through one of my friend, and I thought I'll just give it a try over here. I came over here for a 2 weeks course, and after it was pretty good experience over here. I've learned a lot. In the first, I had some skill set, but I have refined everything over here, and it has become actually a way of life for me to draw after coming over here. I learned, I refined my skills in figure drawings, object designing, and automatic sketches, perspectives, a lot of skills. In my NID Studio Test, it was almost a similar questions which we worked over here. We had a lot of design analysis which happened in BRDS, which helped me a lot in the design analysis problem which happened in the studio test. And after that, the interview also, they showed me so many questions, and the faculties over here helped me in that, because we had almost who are the faculties who are experts in each field that helped me. They taught me so many subjects, and I was pretty confident to answer the questions which were asked in the interview. And after that, especially I like the animation design faculty over here, who are pretty good, which helped me refine my figure drawings and composition skills especially, because I didn't have any idea regarding what a composition is and how to do a composition. And over here I came to know you have to make a story out of a composition, and that's how there were so many tips, short tips, which made a lot of difference in what I did and what I do right now. I cleared IDC product design, and the first round was a studio test round. It had two tests. One is a normal design analysis test, and after that it's a material test, post which comes the interview. The material handling exercises over here in BRDS helped me a lot in the material test, and also the design analysis problem which I worked over here, which helped me crack the design problem in the IDC studio test. And after that came the interview, and when I talked with the faculties over here in BRDS, it helped me a lot, because they were actually designers. So talking with designers boosts your confidence, because you will come to know what a designer is, how you can be a designer. And that helped me a lot during the interview times, when they asked me questions regarding my passion and how I'm going to do once I get into IDC, things like that. And it was pretty good experience over here in BRDS, because when I came over here I was just a novice, and now I know I can do it better out in the real world, and it has helped me a lot, really.